Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious but simple meal. It's roasted vegetables and crispy chicken tenders. I have here some broccoli and tomatoes. I also have chicken tenders, some seasonings, mayo, mustard, breadcrumbs, and this olive oil here. Now this broccoli has been washed and cut, dried off, and now I'm putting it on 2 baking sheets. And then you're going to sprinkle on the tomatoes. I love these tomatoes. They're so delicious. I get them from Kroger. They're the snacking tomatoes and they're great raw, but they also taste great roasted. So sprinkle those onto your broccoli. And then once you do that, you're going to drizzle on some olive oil and make sure that you drizzle it on well. You want to make sure that the vegetables are coated because this is how your seasonings are going to stick. So massage it in, toss it around, make sure that the vegetables are coated well. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and season your vegetables. I season with just some good old salt and pepper. Okay, now on to the chicken. You're going to take your chicken tenders and put them all into a bowl. And then you're going to season them with black pepper, garlic powder, and seasoned salt, also a little bit of mustard. And you can totally use your hands to mix this in, but I don't like touching raw chicken. I just have this thing, I don't know. So I just use a spoon to mix it all up. And once you get the seasonings all mixed in, then you add in a little bit of mayo. Now, I use mayo in place of egg wash because mayo is made of eggs, right? Same thing, yeah. Mainly though, because it's easier and it's like less messy. I don't have to get my fingertips all messy dipping in an egg wash. So I just make sure to coat well with the mayo because this is how your breading is going to stick. So you make sure that it's on there good, and then you put your chicken tenders into your breadcrumbs. I use panko, but you could use regular breadcrumbs if you like. I just think that panko comes out nice and crispy, and that's what I like for my chicken tenders. So yeah, whatever floats your boat. And I know I said I don't like to touch raw chicken, but sometimes you just got to get in there because you do not want naked spots on your chicken tenders. So make sure that you coat them in breadcrumbs very well. And then place them all on your pans. After you do this, you stick it in the oven on 400 for about 20 to 25 minutes. While that's cooking, I like to make my honey mustard. You can, of course, buy this from the grocery store already made, but I didn't have any on hand, so I made it myself. All you need is mayo, mustard, and honey. And I also like making it at home too because you can make it according to your taste. If you like it a little bit tangy, add more mustard. If you like it sweet, add more honey. And just give it a good mix. And when that's done, your chicken and your broccoli should be coming together. They'll be nice and golden crispy when it comes out of the oven, looking good, smelling good. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. All right, bye.